Hello student, I am Vaishali Ganesh Akhade from Balaji High School, Hingna Road, Nagpur. This is our bridge course activity number 8 for class 9 subject science. Activity 8, it is based on composition of matter. Let's understand molecular formula and valency. What is molecular formula? Molecular formula indicates the number of atoms of each of the constituent elements present in one molecule of a compound. A molecular formula includes the information regarding the symbols of all the constituent elements and their respective number as subscripts. Following are the things that we know from the molecular formula. From the molecular formula, we know constituent elements, number of atoms of constituent elements, valency of constituent element, number of bonds formed. How to do? Symbols from molecular formula, constituent elements and their subscripts, cross multiplication, number of bonds formed are equal to the valency of the constituent element. For example, in methane, constituent elements are carbon and hydrogen. Carbon has no subscription. It means there is one atom of carbon and hydrogen has 4 atoms. In methane, valency of carbon is 4 and that of hydrogen is 1. Valency of carbon is 4, so carbon has formed 4 chemical bonds, whereas valency of hydrogen is 1, so hydrogen has formed 1 bond. Second example is ammonia. In ammonia, hydrogen and nitrogen are the constituent elements. Nitrogen has no subscription. It means there is 1 atom and hydrogen has 3 atoms. Ammonia. In ammonia, valency of nitrogen is 3 and that of hydrogen is 1. As the valency of nitrogen is 3, so nitrogen has formed 3 chemical bonds, whereas valency of hydrogen is 1, so hydrogen has formed 1 bond. What is valency? Atoms of constituent elements are connected to each other by chemical bonds. The ability of joining to another atom with a chemical bond is called the valency of that atom. Let's practice. Question number 1 is write the steps to form the molecular formula of following compounds. And compounds are sodium sulfate, potassium nitrate and third is calcium oxide. Answer for sodium sulfate. First step is constituent elements in sodium sulfate are sodium and sulfate. Second step, symbols of constituent elements are nitrogen Na and sulfate SO4. Third step is valency of constituent elements are 1 and 2. With the help of cross multiplication, we can write down NaSO4 and their valency 1 and 2. The molecular formula of sodium sulfate is Na2SO4. For second compound, potassium nitrate, the first step is constituent elements are potassium and nitrate. Symbols of constituent elements are for potassium K and for nitrate NO3. Valency of constituent elements are 1 and 1. With the help of cross multiplication, we can write down KNO3. That means the molecular formula of potassium nitrate is KNO3. For third compound, calcium oxide, first step is constituent elements are calcium and oxygen. Second step, to write down symbols of constituent elements which are calcium and oxygen. Third step, write down valency of constituent elements which are 2 and 2. With the help of cross multiplication, we can write down Ca2O2. That means the molecular formula of calcium oxide is CaO. Question number 2 is, valency of carbon is 4 and valency of oxygen is 2. Write the molecular formula of carbon dioxide. And the answer is, first we have to write the constituent elements, their symbol, second step, carbon and oxygen. Third step, their valency. Carbon has valency 3 and oxygen have valency 2. With the help of cross multiplication, we can write down C2O4 and hence molecular formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. Question number 3 is, write down 3 examples of elements each having valency 1 and 2. And the answer is, elements having valency 1 are sodium, lithium, chlorine. Second, elements having valency 2 are calcium, oxygen and magnesium. Thank you student for watching this video. If you like it, share with your friend and subscribe the channel. Thank you.